Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day, start to put this 850 back together. First thing I got to do is finish cleaning up that water pump maintenance surface. Then I'm going to bolt the head on, bolt the water pump on, and get this thing hopefully back together by noon. It is 8:55. Noon's probably not going to happen, maybe by 1. So let's get cracking. I have the water pump surface as clean as I can get it. It's okay to be stained, you just don't want chunks of gasket on there. See, I got a little bit of green gasket there. It's probably no big deal. And my timing mark is on that notch in the valley is right on the bump of that oil pump. So let me go ahead and get this water pump on here. I got that cleaned off and keep this thing moving. Water pump's on. The jacket gasket is glued in place. Top of the engine block is clean and that gasket's in place. Bottom of the head is clean and all the exhaust manifold gaskets in place with the dental floss. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this head in place, get these head bolts torqued on. I got some Lucas oil assembly lube. I got all the lifters in place. Now I'm going to put some assembly lube on the journals, prep my cams, prep my cam cover, lock this thing down, and keep moving. All right, I think we are ready to fire this thing up. We got some coolant in there. The oil level is a little low, no big deal. I believe everything's hooked up. Go ahead and fire it up. Let me tighten your battery first. What is that in there? Tighten the battery post just a little bit. All right.
Fire it up?
Yeah, see if she starts. You might have to prime it. What I would do is turn the key on, count to 3, cut it back off.
Right.
Turn the key on, count to 3, turn it back off.
Right.
Then start it, hold it till it starts. He didn't do what I told him to do. He just starts it up. Heck, it's like it's missing. Yeah. Shouldn't be though, but it is. Probably a fuel injector. We're going to see what's going on with these rods putting. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.